Hello everyone, this is Gurdeep Pande speaking from the wilderness of the Yukon. Today I'm recording this message for BC dental hygienists for their AGM. It has been very tough year for BC and hygienists and in all over the world. They have been off work for a long time, and when they returned to work, it was very challenging due to different situations, because they were always at risk of getting some virus or bringing it at home, and it was causing a lot of stress and lot of pressures and different kind of challenges. That's why I'm recording this video for you, BC dental hygienists, to fill some joy, some hope, some positivity into your life. I'm going to show you a few dance moves. I'm going to teach you how you can learn them and how you can dance with me just to bring that moment of joy. So, are you ready? First and foremost, please stand up. When you stand up, please stand straight, stand tall, engage your core, keep your back straight, keep your neck long, chin up, and lots of smile on your face. Because Bhangra is a dance of happiness, it's a dance of joy. Bhangra was created by Punjabi or Sikh farmers a long time ago to bring joy, hope, and positivity. Okay, folks, let's start learning. First, I'm going to show you one full move, then I will split into smaller pieces so that you can do it. It looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's learn it. So to learn it, first we will learn the left side. So if I stand like this is your left side. Sometimes when I'll be teaching, I will be turning like this, then turning back. So I will be turning so that my left side and my right side match with your left and right side. Now everybody standing together, please raise your left leg up and then tap it on the ground. Raise it up and tap your toe on the floor. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Make sure that you're counting when you're bringing your foot from top to down. I mean, first you bring your foot up, you do not start counting, then start bringing it down. As soon as you touch your toe to the ground, to the floor, at that time you count. So 1, 2, and 1, 2. Great. So when you are tapping with your left foot, what you will be doing on your right? On your right foot, you will be hopping, and hopping will look like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So basically, on your right toe, you will be jumping 4 times, but you will be counting 1 and 2. How you can achieve it? So when you jump first time like this, you'll count number 1. Then you jump second time, you do not count, you skip. Then when you jump third time, you say number 2. When you jump again, you do not count. So it's like 1 skip, 2 skip, 1 skip, 2 skip. Of course, you don't need to say skip all the time. So it will be just 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, folks, now let's combine tapping with the left foot and hopping on the right together. Let's start together. Stand straight, stand tall, big smile on your face. Don't forget to smile. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Beautiful. So you have learned left side. Now we will learn right side. So when you will be doing at right side, you raise your right foot up and then tap your toe to the floor. So now when you'll be tapping, you count 3, 4. So like 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. Beautiful. So when you are tapping with your right foot, what you will be doing on your left toe? Easy to guess. On your left toe, you will be hopping and you'll be saying 3 and 4. So it looks like 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. So beautiful. So you have learned on your right side how to tap with your right foot and how to hop on your left. Now we will combine both feet together. Be ready. Don't forget to smile. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. Awesome. So you have learned left side. You have also learned right side. Now we will combine both sides together. So when we combine, it will look like 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean that you'll be doing twice left, twice right without stopping. Okay, let's start together. Be ready. From your left side, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 1, 2, switch. 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy, 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 happy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great job. So by now you have started realizing that Bhangra is not just dance, it's a great workout as well, which is so true. So folks, we have learned leg part and now we will learn arm part. For arm, all you need to do, you bring your arms up, straight up. So when you count, when you say number 1, you just bring them down close to your shoulders. So like 1, up, bring them down and say number 2, up, 3, up, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There is another tip which is very valuable. For example, if your leg is up, your arms are up too. If your leg is down, your arms are down too. Up, down. Same other side, leg up, leg down, arms down, which means that your leg and your arms, they are parallel to each other and you are counting when you are bringing them top to down. Folks, we have learned upper body as well. Third most important component in Bhangra dancing is your face. Why face? Because Bhangra is dance of joy. Bhangra is dance of happiness. So when you dance Bhangra, please be happy. Not just smiling from your lips, smile from your heart, smile from your core, smile from your whole body and spread that happiness through your whole body and get excited. Feel like that you are looking forward to it and forget past, forget future. Be in present moment and please be happy. Now let's try all the components together, everybody together. Starting from the left foot, be ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy, 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 happy. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smile, smile, and smile, smile. I'm going to play music and let's dance to the music.